Welcome back to Peaches Teaches, the show where I teach everybody tuning in each episode how to do just about everything. Peaches teaches all the different things that you can do. April showers bring banana bread. Today we are making banana bread because this is the April calendar recipe of the month. For this Peaches Teaches, you're going to need a bread pan, of course, bananas, of course, sugar, flour, baking soda, salt, 1 extra large egg, which I just wanted to add real quick. I think because that's everything you're going to need. Yes. And I also wanted to add, before I mention the thing about the egg, I added about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of honey, some cinnamon, and some vanilla. Get some more flavor in there besides just the bananas. And you need 1 cup of sugar, and I did half of a cup of brown sugar and half of a cup of regular sugar. The thing I wanted to mention about the egg, if you like having fried eggs for breakfast, I really recommend having the medium eggs because the yolk to white ratio is a lot better than these extra large eggs. I just feel like I'm just eating so much of the white, and sometimes I don't care for that slimy part. My mom hates the white of the eggs. So I was like, why don't we try medium? Medium is like really nice. I can only imagine a small egg, but like you'd be starving after just having 1 small egg. Like, look at this. So that is everything you're going to need for this recipe. Butter. It's yellow. You would have thought that. This is for the bananas, but you would have thought I would have remembered. You need 4 tablespoons or a 1/4 cup of butter. Go ahead and grease your bread dish with some nonstick spray or butter, and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Before I start cooking, I'm going to change this outfit. Perfectly comfortable. This is some anime ass hair, so I decided to wear this anime top. I know that like anime is Japanese traditionally, but like, is it just the art style? Like, is I consider Steven Universe and Kipo anime, even though they're like American cartoons. But yeah, I don't know about that. Let me know if that like what they are then. But if this hair fits this, you know? So I could wear my Princess Peach crown, but it might be cut off. We'll save that for another time. I'm using these bananas for the prettiness of it on camera, I have to admit. You're going to see better clips of me making this, and you'll see like the bananas aged like that. I just walk away. So what you need to do is peel your 3 bananas like so and place them in here. And once you place your 3 bananas in here, you add half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. Toss that in there. Throw your egg in. This is also when I added the honey, cinnamon, vanilla. You only need 4 tablespoons, which is a 1/4 cup of butter. And I'm gonna go with this side because it's a little extra and I want that extra butter. I do need to melt this butter a little bit in the microwave because I forgot to get it out earlier. It got a little soupy doopy, but that's okay. Brown sugar just keeps better in these types of containers, and they just get rock hard in bags. Go ahead and use a fork to mix all of that together. So once you have those mixed, what you can do is, I hope you can hear that. It's a pretty bell. Anyway, me get distracted. Ooh, sound. Okay. Sit this to the side without trying to spill it anywhere. And while your wet mixture is sitting back to the side, in a different container, you are going to mix together 1.5 cups of flour and a teaspoon each of salt and baking powder. Soda. Okay, so this is banana bread. Put it in the oven and bake for 1 hour. And I have a secret little trick to show you what I like to do at the halfway point, okay? At the halfway point, I like to take it out and get butter all over it. And then what I like to do is get some brown sugar. And sprinkle it all on the top. And then you put it back in the oven for about 20 to 30 more minutes. Okay, everybody. It is an hour later, and it is now time to slice into our banana bread. I hope that looked as stupid and chaotic as I wanted it to. This seems like a really fast episode. I need to be pretty. Okay, no, this is being stupid. Okay, let's cut into this banana bread. Let me get myself together and wash my hands. I use this to cut the cold butter. Get out of my face. Okay, there we go. Damn, okay, that seems so easy. Okay, here we go. Look, a bread knife, y'all. Is this a bread knife? Oh my gosh, I have such a funny story about this. My mom told me that she was like shopping in a grocery store once, just trying to live her life. And this man came up and was like, oh, do I have the demonstration of a lifetime? Like trying to sell, I don't know if it was Cutco. I'm not going to say a brand because of what ended up happening. He's like, these knives are designed to cut food, not people, or some dumb shit like that, whatever this loser was doing, pyramid scheme. And he was like, look. And he was like slicing his own hand and not getting cut. I swear he volunteered her. And when he cuts her hand, she got cut. And I'm like, did you get a free set? I'm going to have to get a full update on this story. But ever so slightly, cut into your loaf of banana bread. It's stunning. Go ahead and get some butter and a knife. I want to eat this on camera. Okay, here we go. Here is our delicious looking banana bread. I always do some self-made improvements to the dish of the month. I'm really excited to try this. Here we go. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. This is so good. This is the best one yet. I'm sorry, but the cinnamon on top, no, the brown sugar on top, that was all me, sweetie. I'm sorry I got the words mixed up. My mind's blown. That was all on me. That is a delicious, crunchy addition to such a soft, scrumptious, banana-y piece of wonderfulness. You know when you can hear chewing, it's good. Even when my mouth's shut, like that, like, gum sound, you know something's good when it makes that sound. This is a phenomenal banana bread recipe. I've been wanting to make banana bread so long. You know how many old crusty ass bananas I had to throw out because I just wasn't able to get to the banana bread recipe at the perfect time. But I'm glad I did it around this time anyways because I have a yellow wig. I was considering doing it a while back and I just didn't have a yellow wig or nothing yellow, and I'm like, so don't do a Peaches Teaches because I don't have the outfit for it. I want to thank you all so much for tuning into this episode of Peaches Teaches. And we will see you next month, May, for fresh tomato salsa. I don't know nothing about no salsa dance, but I know something about eating salsa. So make sure you tune in next month for that. This is without a doubt 5 out of 5 peaches or 5 out of 5 bananas. Let me get my stock banana. But yes, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Peaches Teaches. Sorry for such a chaotic ending. You want to say bye? Bye. Bye.